Hello Space Engineers, welcome back to Aries Colony. I'm Wellington6012. How are you all doing out there? I hope you're good. Right, so you find me not where you left, well, where you left me last time, but not when you left me last time, because last time I said that I was going to be pretty much getting straight into the episode, which hasn't happened. I've actually done quite a bit off camera, and it's now the next day. So yeah, big day today, lots to do. So just a little bit concerned about that Sky Boss thing, or whatever it is. What's it called? Yeah, Fly Boss carrier. It's still just hanging around up there, and I don't know if it's linked, but I haven't had any unknown signals for quite some time. So I think there's a bit of a bug. We're going to have to do something about that. Yeah, I'm just leaving it up there. I'm resisting the temptation just to go into the entity list and get rid of it. We'll just see what happens. Right, so, yes. I have done stuff off camera. So, let's go down here. Now, what I did was I actually went back to a previous game save when I constructed the template, the blueprint. And I've actually just gone back and changed the blueprint a bit. So you can see that also I've finished off a whole lot of welding of the deck. Still a bit more to go. What I changed on the blueprint was here and down there was a row of full blocks. So I've changed that to just the plate. And also, if we turn this on, get ready for the lag. Oh, feel that lag. Yeah, because it's there's about 2,500 blocks which I've placed everyone individually. Oh no, 3,000 blocks I think in the blueprint. Actually, let's just have a look. There's quite a few. Yeah, to 2,600. So nearly 3,000. Yeah, so what I've done is, yeah, just changed it a little bit. I've also extended it, made it bigger, would you believe, by 8 more panels on the straight edge. Because when I was finishing and sort of just doing the outro of the last episode, I just felt like when I was sort of here, this was too narrow, and I'm just, because it was out of scale with the diagonal, and I'm really a lot happier with the shape now. It just, yeah, it feels sort of more rounded, more symmetrical. Yeah, and my word, it's large. I mean, I knew it was going to be big, but I didn't think, I mean, maybe I've made it too big, I don't know. If I was to put a poll out and ask you, the viewer, I pretty much know, I think I know what you'd say is like, just go for it. Have some fun. And that's what I'm doing. Hopefully it doesn't cause me any problems with air tightness, or, I mean, these are all pretty simple blocks. I think Windows don't use a lot of, yeah, PCU is only one. So, ooh, you know, so if this is, once we sort of plug the gaps, you know, if each of these 1, 2, 3, 4 blueprints is 3,000 blocks each, well, that's 12,000. And the vanilla sort of base game block limits are what, 100,000? And I'm not worried about those. But yeah, so it's a lot, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm really excited about how this is going to turn out. I've got lots of ideas to put in here. One of the things that I want to do is put a safe zone in, and yeah, so power is going to be a thing, because I don't want this getting damaged. So it's not me sort of trying to cheat, I want to have the safe zone as a defense for this. Won't be operating all the time, but we'll see how quickly I can kick it in, because yeah, I never really used that back on the Sirius orbital platform because of the power, but yeah, it will be a feature here. So, not the whole base, just the dome. Yeah, because I don't think I'll be able to handle repairing that all the time. Right, assuming I get attacked, which just, Yeah, having that hanging there. Okay, so plan for today is we're going to do lots of welding. Lots and lots. So I want to build a vehicle to weld the rest of this and all of this. And I've actually started it. And yeah, we'll put a pipeline in as well. I think I'll be able to do that today. So that's another thing. I've got a bit of an idea of how I'm going to do that. So yeah, let's get into it. There was something else. I have done other things, but I can't remember what. See, that's starting to get a bit close to that. Right. Yeah. Anyway, so as you can see down here, I've started. That's a bit of an issue. Okay. Already. Already. I'm in trouble. That's gonna have to go. So I just started with that battery to give it a bit of a charge. So if I just put that in one. That will work. Yeah. Okay, so do I have any steel? Oh, that's what I've been doing, is making a whole lot of stuff, that's for sure. Whew. It's been a bit crazy, actually, the amount of stuff that I'm making. Let's just go to here. We'll put a connector on the back. And then a whole lot of those. So this is not, this is a one-off vehicle for welding up the dome. I'm not going to keep it. It's just going to be, yeah, it is what it is. So I'm going to put 6 of those in. And what I'm going to do is go out here. I think that will be enough. So I'm going to adapt this in order to get the welders in the right place. Why didn't you attach a wheel? Why are you not? There we go. Attach. Okay. That's alright though, because I am actually going to jack this thing up. Yeah. So
energy low.
This is the position of the wheels at the moment. So they are offset, or yeah, they're not centered, because what I want is to try and have some weight in order to counterbalance. So I think that's enough of those, bearing in mind that I have welders as well. So let's just reinforce you a bit. Oh no, we need more of that. Oh. Okay. Just to reinforce that a little bit. Okay. So yeah, I'll put a wheel on there. We just need to jack this up a bit. I'll make it a little bit longer. And yeah, I'm going to put conveyor tubes on. So let's just grab some of them. So these would be... So if we say that that's the middle... So what I'm going to do is... Okay, that'll need to come out further. So you can see why I sort of want to counterweight it, because...
Energy critical.
Yeah, because energy. Energy. How am I out of energy already? And... Right, so... Okay. So I'll probably... Once I get up the top, I'll see how far up I want to go. Whether I even try and do the whole lot in one hit. How many is it? It's 8. Yeah, might just be a bit heavy. But you never know. You never know. I can... But you can see why I'm sort of going to put the counterweight over here. And that's 4. No, I'll probably just leave it at 4 and take 2 goes at it. So you can sort of see that I'll drive this around the edge, and then I'll grind these off and put a new set on up there for 4. And then as we get onto that sort of angle, then these will start to go straight up. And by the time I get, you know, sort of 6 blocks in, so that's pretty much going to be when I get up to this tall bit, I'll be more able to have it sort of over the center. It'll sort of make sense, I think, when I do it. But yeah, so that's good. But initially, I will actually put welders on the front to be able to weld the floor. Yeah, unless I just put them on anyway. No, I'll do them separate. So yes, let's leave those for now, because yeah, I won't be using those. I may even I don't know. Let me do a real quick montage, and we'll see how we go. Okie pokey then, that's the setup that I've gone with to start off with. So just made some sort of last minute changes to get it more welders on that side so we can sort of get the overhang, and also I've just moved the whole lot forward as well, so yeah. I've also just made a bit of an error with my inventory, so I loaded up 3-to-1 of glass to girders in each one. There's still a little bit more room in each, but yeah, the steel I need to put into the welders. But then, then I'd also just need to, actually I think I'll reinforce that just to be on the safe side. Just need to disable that, so I only want to weld steel. I don't want to weld any of the windows just yet. Yeah, okay. So that's good. That's good. Okay, let's give this a whirl. Just try and get in the seat and see how this goes. Welders. So yeah, it's yeah, that's working all right. It's going to take a little while, I think. Okay, well, what I might do is get Future Wellington to do a little bit of an edit on this, and we might do a Never Surrender Triton style sped up thing, eh? Yeah, see how that goes. So straight away, very regretful that I didn't make this right at the start, because it just absolutely obliterated the welding. That was awesome. That was real good. Let's just put this back. I just used this to, I think it was 22. No, there's a gap there. 20. Cool. I just did that to do the floor in the middle. Yeah, this floor actually, even though I've put all this work into it, doesn't necessarily stay here. This is just to drive this machine on. And then some of it may stay, but also some of it may go. Yes, because there are plans for in here. Right, I need to move all... I need to undo these. So what I'll do... Oh, steel. Okay, maybe I'll turn all them off, might be a good idea. Off. Have they got steel in them? Oh, it's got quite a bit of steel in it. Okay, let's sort this out. I remember seeing a little spot here that we missed. Very good. Very good. Okay, so that's that. What's so dark? Turn the lights on. Okay. Oh, there's a spot there too. Well, that's pretty good. Right. So, need some interior plates, and we might just move you while we're at it as well. Just put you over here in the middle, out of the way. Hopefully that's out of the way. And we've got interior. Some, but I can't grab them out of there. Okay. So, what we'll do is we'll put you on there. And do that like that. Okay. So I'm going to put this out here like that, and probably out to there. Yeah. And then we'll put our welders on there like that. I may as well do the other ones. Actually, we'll grind you down. So if I put... Well, that's 4. So that will take care of there. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, and I probably want one up there to deal with the light. So that will... Yeah, I think that'll be good. I'm going to weld all those up. Never felt unstable, this vehicle. I mean, it's going to be different when I start to put conveyors right up to the ceiling there. Actually, I don't need to save those because I can just... So I'll just be grinding these down. More steel. Right. Yeah. Let me weld this up. I'll be back in a second. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put a conveyor system in here sooner rather than later. But we'll just get this happening, and we'll see how it goes. Oh, I could have used those ones. Oops. Okay. That's good. Let's now move you actually, just because you'll be in the way. Just pop you around. Oh, gosh. Alright, we'll just pop you in there. Should be fine. Okay, so let's jump in there and get that view, I think. Just see if we can... Oh, take the handbrake off. See if we can just miss that. Yes, we can. That's good. Alright. Let's just try and go back this way. just lining up. Not the greatest thing to steer in the world. Actually, speaking of that, maybe I put steering on all of them. We'll turn the welders on while we're in here. Yeah, I think that will be beneficial. Now, I need to actually weld up all this lot, don't I? Because even though it's not a projection, they're not finished, are they? Because they got all those, they got a single girder each, and that's it. So let's just go back here, and we'll just sort of try and line up. Fingers crossed. Okay. Oh, we're away. Oh, I was just about to say, I don't think we need that top one. Because I think that top one is going to be more trouble. I miscounted there. Or, no, I don't think I miscounted, but something's gone wrong.
Inventory full.
Really? Okay, that was an awful lot to go in there. That was an awful lot in that one. Anyway, let's have another go. Okay, yeah, that's a bit better. Very good. Okay, that's actually, I feel like that's working better than what I was planning. Oh, go you. That's awesome. Awesome. That's real good. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, probably a new conveyor system to get up here is going to be a bit of a priority. So I think what I'm going to do there is, oh, just got to get into this corner actually, hang on. Sorry, this will take a little bit of manoeuvring. Actually, if I just go straight in like that, and if I do those ones, and then back out a little bit, might be able to turn, just sneak past. No, it's not going to do. Oh, ow. Oh, am I out? Oh, I'm empty already. Oh, gosh, that didn't take very long at all. That took no time. Oh, really? Well, actually, no, that was probably only... Well, there was 4... Hang on. One had steel in it, but there's 1, 2... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There would have been 5, and there was 1,500 glass in each. So that's 700. I think I'm going to need to make more glass. I think I'm going to need to make a lot more glass. Oh, that's insane. Okay. Oh, it's good. I mean, that's awesome. Just going to use so much stuff. Oh, wow. That's going to be cool. Yeah, because look, I was up to 40. And I've barely even dented it. Oh, really? That's, okay. I'm going to do another 30,000 of those. And another 10,000 girders, and we'll just see where that puts us. Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. I'm going to use so much stuff. Okay, well, we'll have time for that to do its thing. So what I'll do is I'll start off putting in a conveyor system. So I'm going to branch off from... I'm going to branch off from here, actually. And... yeah, I think... yeah, I'm going to do it from here. So we'll get rid of you. Get rid of you. And put in... oh, we need to change our colour. So I'm going to branch off from there. And go like that. Like that. And I'm probably going to have to keep going. And then go up. Like that. And then... how high do I want to go? How high is that one? That's 3 blocks. One, 2, 3. Yeah, that'll be right. That, I'm just thinking I'll also put in another turret here, I think. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll have it coming up here. I think I'm just going to do this off camera because you've seen me put in plenty of pipelines before. But yeah, I will come up here, and I'm actually thinking of going underground like I've done here. So I'm going to put another gateway in up here. And when I go underground, that's where I'll use some trickery to get my pistons and stuff, using pistons and rotors and whatnot to line everything up. I think that would be the plan. Because this is actually, I think, kind of flat here. Yeah, if I can aim to sort of do it here, I think that would be the way. Yeah. Cool. Alright, leave that with me. I'm not going to do a speed up thing. I'm going to turn the camera off and get on with this. So, yeah, we'll see you back in...
fuel low.
Probably sometime. Alright, see ya.
Fuel critical.
Good morning. My word, that was a long night. Done lots. Let's go and have a look. I was just waiting for the sun to come up, but didn't trigger this, but I don't think it's going to happen while I'm here. Yes, we've used quite a bit of power, which is good. It's good to use stuff and do stuff. Right, so here is the pipeline. Yeah, I think I've spent about an hour on this, or over an hour, I think. Yeah, so that's that, and it all went very well, except for that bit there where it fell down and sort of dented the ground a little bit. Oh, here comes the sun. And yeah, so that's that. This is where I'm up to now. So I thought I'd just jump back into it here and sort of show you what I'm doing here before I do it, and then we'll get into this. So first of all, actually let's have a look down the hole. So down here we've got some lights, piston, rotor, and then that'll be the conveyor. There's just a projector underneath that, so that we can just figure this out. Just can't quite see. Okay, we'll have to hover. Okay, so it's that one there, and nope, that's not it. Nope, that's not it either. There we go, that's it. Try there. Oh, that's actually really close. That's super close. You know what? I think that I can adjust that just with the rotor. I don't think I need that piston. Let's get rid of it. Stand by. as I was saying, this. I mean, look, that's pretty much bang on. Let's just use the rotor. Oh, try the rotor, and I'll just name this as well. Pipeline. It's only 2 P's in pipeline. Right. Let's just. Where's the thing? There it is. I mean, that could not be more perfect. That's awesome. Okay. Just wondering. That'll be right. I was wondering whether I could get it the length right as well. Well, actually, all I'll need is a hinge. Okay. Let's, oh. If we grab the rotor, and we only just need to get it very approximate. Do that. Oh, that way. So I should be able to. Yeah, I should be able to make it work. I might put a piston on just to be on the safe side. But anyway, right. Let's lower this down by so many. So which one was it? That one there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, well, how about we just make it back to 0? So that's 8. Same with this one. And we'll make that. Just need to be able to see. Oh, we can do it here. Vertical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Right. Time to do some digging. Time to do some things. Conveyors. Hokey pokey. That is all welded up now. So let's try and get this lined up. So probably if I do that, reverse it and just inch it forward, it's probably the way to go. That's looking pretty good. So I think if I just now rotate this slightly, oh, that projector probably would have been good. So we are going to go the other way. And that's going down. So if I made that 325, yes. And then okay, no, that's not working. We want to make that 324. Yes, that's what we want. And then just take that down by a degree. Another degree. Another degree. I think that's pretty much lined up. Let's just maybe take it one more. Okay, I could probably do another one, I think. I think that's pretty much bang on. And I really shouldn't use the word bang. Okay, why are you making that noise? Okay, I need just to lower it a tiny bit. Tiny bit more. How's that looking? I think that's maybe just one more notch. I mean, that's pretty precise. No, it needs to go a little bit more. Oh, this is stressful. Try that. Yeah, it's good up top. Oh, maybe another couple of notches. Okay, now that's pretty even. Okay. And let's do the old distance thing. How's that looking? One more notch. I think that's pretty much, I won't say bang on, I think that's pretty much spot on. This could go very wrong or very right. It's gone very right. Fantastic. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so we need to do pipeline. And do that. Do the hinge lock. Off. So this will be fairly protected down here. That's the idea of hiding all this underneath here. That's we'll just do that back the other way so that doesn't cause us any problems. And same with that one. That's fine, I think. We'll just write that back one. Very good. Okay. So there we go. Alright, let me weld the rest of this up. And we'll do, that'll be probably us for today, actually. Yeah, it's been a busy old day. See you soon. Hokey pokey. What I've done is... oh, actually, hang on. Something I just need to do. Almost forgot. Need to put a container on there. So let's just put you in there. Oh, let's grab some more stuff. So this is all plumbed in. It's all working, as you can see. I can get plenty of components. So that is good. Now, what I've decided to do is... let me just get this in place. You can see I've got a hinge there ready to attach. So once I've done this lower level, then I'll re-weld these onto here to get that edge done. That's the plan. And yeah, I'm going to do it now. Well, at least try and make a start. I've got future Wellington over at the trading post. So he is... It's better. So he's gonna do a time lapse. Yeah, so I'll see how I go. I suspect I'm gonna run out of glass, but we'll just see how things work out. But yeah, it's been a big old day for me, that's for sure. I've got lots done, and what I'm intending to do is actually, once this dome is finished, I'm gonna publish it. And just the dome, so I'll get rid of all the other bits, all the extra bits, and yeah, just publish it before I sort of before I fill it up with stuff. So lots of plans for in here. Really looking forward to it. I have got a mod that I'm going to be using as well, so that's actually, it's a mod that I've modded, so that's be interesting. This just is... Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that's not good. I don't know if you saw that, but I did. Also, did I turn that welder on? No, I didn't. I need... Yes, I've got some steel there. Oh, just about went off the edge. Didn't think about that. I don't need to underneath. What am I doing? Silly. I'll just put some in there as well. That should be fine. Disaster averted. Oh, that's... I think I'm going to struggle connecting to that. Yes. Oh. Stand by, back in a sec. Alright. Correct height. Whoops. And just drop it down a little bit. Really? Gently does it. Lock. Right. Oh yeah, you are welding. That's good. Cool. Those. Just put all that. Oh, all that in there. Yeah, right. Need to put exempt on that. So yes, I shall load this up with a whole lot of stuff, and then that will be it for today. As I say, it's been a big day. Let's load all these up. Like so. Do a few of them. And there's a large one there. Put all of those in there, and okay, I think that might be a bit much. That should do. You can come back for more. Right, yes. With that, thanks everybody for watching today. Hope you did enjoy this episode. A little bit of a long one. I could have potentially split this up into several episodes, but I thought no, we'll just get it organized, get it done, and a few montages and things. So yes, hopefully you can join me again next time, and until next time, stay safe out there everybody, have a good one.